everybody, welcome back to Hot Tea with Leah B. This week's tea is about home improvement, how to fix your ceramic soap dish. Ready? Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is your girl Leah Lola. Thank you for watching another episode of Hot Tea with Leah B. This week we are going to talk about home improvements and how to fix your ceramic soap dish. So today I kind of included my husband in on this video. He's prepping right now to get ready to fix the ceramic soap dish that is behind this beautiful little llama curtain. And we did it for under $20, so we didn't have to call anybody in. It's a really simple fix that I got from another YouTuber. And I was like, hey, we can do that. The house that we moved into is 19 years old. So there are going to be some things that are going to break and that we have to learn how to fix now. So I just wanted to share with everybody how you can do this easy, quick fix for a ceramic soap dish under $20. Also, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get the newest tea that is being uploaded every single Wednesday. So you guys ready? Let's see this home improvement. We're really excited and hopefully it turns out good.
Hey guys, so this is the two products that we use that we bought from Home Depot. I will drop the product link below in the description. They worked really well. So as we get started, my husband is cleaning off the excess caulking and glue from when the soap dish was previously attached to the shower wall. It was instructed in the other video that you must do this so that the soap dish will properly stick to the wall. And there was a little joke about this. My husband was using this tiny little hole to get the glue out, and I was like, babe, just take it off and use the glue. And after me nagging for about 5 minutes, he finally did so. So we wanted to spread the glue out on the soap dish, and I couldn't find my spackling tool, so I grabbed my George Foreman tool. You know, that thing that cleans the George Foreman with? That's what that is. So we grabbed that, and it worked really well with this project. In the YouTube video that I watched, the man had put the glue on the wall, on the shower wall, as well as on the soap dish and around the edges. We just actually put the glue on the soap dish. This Gorilla Glue worked so well. I highly recommend it. So now my husband is placing the soap dish back in its previous spot on the shower wall, and he's just pressing down to make sure that the soap dish is sticking to the wall. And this Gorilla Glue is working so good because, as you can see, it is not moving at all. In the video that I had watched, he had taped the soap dish to the wall so that he can apply the caulking, but as you could see, we did not have to do that. So what you see here is my husband removing the excess Gorilla Glue adhesive with the George Foreman tool. Now he's just taking a paper towel to clean up any excess glue that may have gotten on the wall or on the soap dish. In the other YouTube video that we had watched, tutorial for this soap dish repair, he said to put a 45-degree angle in the caulking tube so that it will apply easily. I think my husband probably should have made a bigger hole, but I wasn't going to argue the fact because I won with the glue. So as you can see, he's applying it around every edge to make sure that the soap dish is completely sealed. Once he is done with that, he's taking the George Foreman tool again, and he's going around each edge, cleaning up the excess sealant and giving it a more smooth aesthetic line. And once again, he's taking a paper towel and cleaning up the excess around the wall and the soap dish to make sure that it's clean. Babe, you missed a spot. So as I was filming him, I noticed that there was this large crack in the corner of the shower. So I said, hey, why don't we fix this since we're fixing the soap dish, and go ahead and seal this corner off as well. So we're just taking some of the caulking sealant and we're going straight from the top to the bottom with it to seal out that crack and to prevent any leaking of water behind the tile. Now I know all you handy people out there and people who probably do tile work, there probably is another way to do this. Again, we are newbies. We are not handymen, so please be kind in the comments. I know, see, he's using his finger. I know we're probably not properly installing this, but we got the job done. But if there's any way that you see that we could have done this better, or maybe somebody's scrolling through the comments, please be kind and drop a helpful hint in the comments below. So my husband's going to take the George Foreman tool and he's just going to smooth out the rest of the adhesive and then wipe it down with a paper towel, and voila. So we fixed it, guys. We fixed our ceramic soap dish in our guest bathroom, which is our daughter's bathroom. And I must say it looks pretty good, and it's a lot easier than I thought it would be. I always wondered how they did that.
So everything turned out great. The ceramic soap dish is fixed, and we fixed it for under $20, y'all. So if you want to see the original video that I got this idea from, go ahead and I put the link to that video down in the description below. Also, it's so super simple that you can do this. Trust me, if we can do it, you guys can do it. So thank you for watching this episode of Hot Tea with Leah B. Again, don't forget to like this video because it helps me. And please subscribe to my channel right here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest tea every Wednesday when it's uploaded. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you back again soon. Bye.